is V. Saivardhan from BCC. Today our GA topic is on effect of Western culture on Indian youth. India is called subcontinent. It is subcontinent. It is so called subcontinent of culture, traditions, and many features. Coming to culture is shows clearly what we are in the society and how we are behaving in the society, how is our attitude. It reflects greatly. I think it's the culture. There is a lot of effect on Indian youth because of Western culture, because it reflects greatly their way of thinking and believing. Day by day, the culture has degraded its fame. I think fast foods are one of the gifts of the Western culture. And coming to culture, said by Rabindranath Tagore was civilization what we have and culture is what we are, said by Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. And coming to education system also, there is a lot of effect of Western culture in youth, because the infrastructure and technology what we are improved and so many things. And coming to relations also, there are many effects on Indian youth. And coming to dresses also, and what in olden days when the people have to wear punjas and many things. Today we are wearing jeans and t-shirts and kurtas, many things. I think there is a lot of effect on Indian youth because of Western culture. And coming to movies, we see the dressing style of the heroines or heroes. There is an effect of Western culture. And relations, the joint families are many things. And
coming to fast food, in India we can find variety of taste of food in the various states of India. In Western, they used to eat burgers, pizzas. Indians are also influenced by it. We can see KFC, DFC, all these burgers are also included in India. The taste that in olden days the taste of India was there. Now it is also decreased. Coming to dresses, bad influence is attractive and it is easily influenced by others. The resistance of Westerns are also very bad compared to our Indians. By seeing movies, English movies also, the dressing style in India is also very much degraded.
In my point of view, the Western culture does not depend upon dress code. By seeing the Western culture dress, we cannot see the behavior of.
There is a big difference between modernization and westernization. People wearing jeans, t-shirts and feel that they are modernized, but modernization depends on the mindset but not on clothes. There is no harm in taking Western culture and good things, but we should not forget our traditions and our culture.
Mindset of the Indians also have changed, are changing, is decreasing day by day. It is influenced by Westerns a lot.
Yeah, but we should be on our own. We should be on our own attitude. We should not be. We should not. We should not imitate others, and we should be on our own culture and attitude, so that it will not be good for others.
I support Prashanti and our friend Sausanya said that about modernization. In this years of modernization, everything we become modern. Even with the stylish haircuts and modern dresses and wearing. And even we are changing our attitude also. We like to talk in English and we make fun of our own language also. So we want to even follow our Western culture, but we want to remain our own culture also.
Western culture affects morely, especially in clothing, our wearing dressing style. Some people, when we are came in colleges, they were wear dress like short middies. It's affect more attraction. That's why their studies were also colors. it is only the reason is Western culture.
In my point of view, the Western culture has a more impact on relations. In nowadays, there is no good relation between mother and son and father and son. It was just adapted to one day like Mother's Day, Father's Day. Instead of serving them totally yearly or almost lifelong. In the same manner, as Vikas said that evil thoughts and bad will be impact more effectively than good. In the same manner, Western culture is just influenced our Indian youth by bad thoughts and negative sides of that. So, be aware of Western culture, save our Indian culture.
In ancient days, families were combined families, but nowadays all the families are split into nuclear families. Only the reason is Western culture. Our Indian people also think like that. People, we are get more money when we are separate families.
Is about her in the single in the simple families, any problems will not be there, and they live happily. So all are adopting the nuclear families only.
In my point of view, Western culture nowadays posing a serious thrust as establishing a strong base in Indian culture and slowly gradually whipping the Indian culture. Then Western culture affect on Indian culture.
I think change doesn't happen its own. It's we who bring about the change. I support the biggest point because change bad affects more than good. I support her because in my point of view there is a lot of effect of Western culture because while coming to education also we are learning the things in the Western culture activities only. The infrastructure of the buildings only. Take example of this acoustic part and this conference hall. In olden days, they didn't have any like this conference halls and acoustic labs to prepare well and participate well in the competitions and like this any other exams. I think this is a culture we are adopted in Indian culture. I think there is a lot of effect of Western culture on Indian youth.
I agree with your point. There is a lot of effort on we can develop infrastructure in rural areas also. We can develop.
I also agree with the point of because we tend to told about relations. In the olden days, after getting married, the parents and the sons are relation maintained with each other. But nowadays, when the Western culture come in the place, all the people adopted Western culture, and after they get married, they send parents into old age home. But Western culture, we have to.
That's what I said, Rajkumar. Change doesn't happen on its own. It's we who bring about the change. Because we didn't forget about the Indian culture. As Palakshmi said, we have to follow some extent only to Western culture. Somewhat we have to civilize the Indian culture to some extent. I think I support her.
Yeah, we should know the love of our parents. We can see that after the marriage, the husband and wife want to stay in some separate home and they used to leave their parents alone. That is why old age homes in India is increasing. We should not do like that. We should stay with our parents even after the marriage. We should try to maintain joint families, not nuclear families. It will be more happy.
And due to Western culture, new rooms are going to affect. They'll be stressed and isolated through the atmosphere. So they will not care about her parents or grandparents, and they'll be fall in their clutches.
People rarely care for the old ones there. But nowadays people are getting busy and they are adopting means to keep their parents in the old age homes also. I think this culture we can see in only Western culture, but in India also we are seeing this type of culture. So parents are really valuable for us. So we want to keep our parents with us only.
I would like to say a few lines about what Vardhan is saying. We have to adapt a good things to us. There is a proverb in Telugu as "Pulling choose nakavadal pettukontaanu," like that. In the same manner, we are doing that. We are adapting negative things. If fox has marks in its body, it will not change like tiger, but it will try to do like that. In the same manner, we are just adapting like hairstyles and more others, but we are not improving our activities like talking English and globalization to become a globalized society, to change our India as number one. We have to adapt some Western cultures, but it is only just for an extent, as Vardhan said that. So adapt a good things to our from Western culture.
So finally, I conclude that no doubt Western culture is versatile and has thought to be self-independent, but it doesn't mean that we will forget our culture and all and will blindly forward. India has tradition to take good things from others, but not mean we'll forget our values.
Give me a minute of time to consolidate the whole discussion, being a moderator for you. It is interesting to have a discussion on effect of Western culture on Indian youth. Still, it is a very difficult one to get myself digested in having discussion on this kind of a topic, as the world is today completely away from its boundaries. Am I right? We are all living in a global village, and we call the whole world as a part of globe. And there is not much difference among the people of India and with that of European countries. All are today one, and I don't know why you have picked up this topic. Still, there is an effect, because cultural conflict, cultural shift is always a story to be discussed. Maybe your teachers or you must have picked up this topic very well. To tell you clearly, above all the comments, I would like to appreciate your team as the best team which has performed well for GD. Claps for that. You have done all together, you have done, except candidate 1, I missed you, I do not know why you have waited for much choice. And this kind of a situation in the GD is always, a threat for the ones who are working very well, and the one who is waiting for the opportunity still did not get the opportunity. It shows that the GD would not go very well, as all of you are neglecting this girl, though she doesn't take the opportunity. In the work culture also, if you are leaving one of your partners in the team, as that team member could not come forward to take a few things to be carried forward as a challenge of a team or team's risk, it is not so. The same happened in your case. Of course, this is the very first group discussion for you, and I hope you must not have known the secret behind the group discussion by not allowing each one in the house should speak. It is more needed. If someone doesn't speak, you need to drag. So candidate 1 missed the opportunity, and the whole group really has a blame on you that you did not allow someone to speak. And then, of course, you did not do it so, but you know, as part of you and a part of group, you did not do. Candidate 2, you have done wonderful job, and claps to you, because personally in your group, you are acting as a leader and you succeeded as a leader. And then candidate 3, you're good in grabbing opportunity, but you did not keep that opportunity well with what you are, what you would like to speak on. And then candidate 4, it seems that you require a lot of command on your practice of language. Of course, you have a problem, but you did well. You are asked to come out of the problem. I have written the same. Still, you have done well. Candidate 5, very good in taking the opportunity, and you know, she has spoken very well. And I hope in a team when she has to work, you particularly candidate 5, you act as a team player, because she knows when to take opportunity, when to lose or when to give away the opportunity, and keeps on doing many things effectively in a team. You will be definitely a team player. And candidate 6, very good in taking turns. You know, she is not hesitant. She is taking the opportunity, even though she knows that she is little hesitant in taking the opportunity, but she is not waiting for the opportunity. She is taking it up. She is very good in taking turns, and I know you will definitely be grown up when an opportunity given to work in a group or to present something in a group. You will definitely act as a turn taker. You can take turns and you can keep up the turns successfully. Alright, and only one simple advice that you require is while you are speaking, your language is not that refined, you need to look into it. I know that you are too early to refine all that, but you refine. Candidate 7, I'm sorry, you have to establish still much. You have noted down some of the points on your piece of paper. It's not fair in looking into it and then reading it out for discussion. We are here sitting for discussion. Follow the notes, start having a discussion. But for that, you have spoken well. And then candidate 9. Candidate 8, candidate 8. The best part in your discussion I have observed, you have acknowledged others. It is not that easy accepting others. But in your group, it is done by your candidate 8. It is wonderful, it is interesting. And that single point may definitely help the recruiter to pick you, that you can easily accept others, whatever the risky challenge that is brought before you. It is seen that you are accepting it. Candidate 9, you are so late in taking the turn, but you know, you did very well. But you could not show that you have taken the turn late in order to wait for the opportunity. You did not show it. Though in a group discussion we take the opportunity little late or last, but we have to show that we are waiting for the opportunity, and we also must tell others that we are also to be recognized in the part of a team. You failed in that, but you know, little maturity adds slowly when you participate in discussions, you do it. Candidate 10, fantastic again. You are also having a wonderful ability to lead the team. It is seen very clearly. But your language requires a lot of refinement, and your language also requires synonymously with your body language that you present. And finally, candidate 11, of course, you also have done well, and you have taken good examples too. Pretty good, that is, you know, putting discussion in comparing with that of some of the examples would look very good. You have done that job wonderfully well. And above all, your discussion went on very well, and I wanted you to practice much on group discussion, and those who have already been given negative comments or little less in appreciation, try to understand me, and you, I have seen your face is not that happy. Still, you have to accept it. Okay, we are all here for educating ourselves. GD is now educated by me, I hope I have understood. And finally, if I have to recruit people out of this GD, I can recruit candidate 2, candidate 5, candidate 6, candidate 8, candidate 10 and candidate 11. Best of luck. Your second round would start for your recruitment process. Thank you for the opportunity.